Hello everybody and welcome. Here today our Berkey came, so we're gonna unbox it right here in front of you. Or maybe. Okay. It's not working out so easily. Oh boy, look. Uh-oh. We got the paper on it on what's inside. And oh boy, I think it's a little heavier than. Okay, these are the black Berkey purification elements.
Ooh, that's beautiful.
Okay, and then of course they've used Uline for all their packing and their box, and this is the fluoride and arsenic reduction elements and the single wall glass tumblers. So this must be the tumblers that I got for the boys. This was a free gift. So now everything is out of the box. And I'm gonna have to bring it down. And oh boy, look, here's the lid. Wow.
Wow.
Okay, and here's the spigot and the plugs for inside the filters and other filters. Again, we added 2 more filters. And of course, the little manual. And looky here. Wow. All right, well, we'll come back after we got it all set up and show you the rest. Okay, so we're back. So now we're gonna fill up our Berkey. This one holds 6 gallons. It's the Crown Berkey. And I've got the water all ready to fill. And it's gonna take a lot more water than I have right here. And they say to fill it once a day, no matter what, to keep your filters in good condition as far as moisture. But you can see how tall it is. I'm 5'8", and it's sitting on our kitchen table. You can already hear it. Alrighty, so finally we have a Berkey. Yay! So I'm back. I wanted to go ahead and get the first sample of the water. So let's see. Let's see. Oh, really good. Here, you try. Well, delicious.
Delicious. It's really good.